Everything looked fine until the ground 1,000 kilometers away moved. This skyscraper pool in Bangkok turned into a wave machine, triggered by the Myanmar quake. Why did this happen? Let's break it down. As an engineer, rooftop pools are dynamic loads. When seismic waves hit soft Bangkok soil, the whole building suddenly swayed, and the water amplified that motion. That wave? It hit the perimeter glass. Most likely, the safety railing wasn't rated for this kind of lateral hydraulic force, not in a seismic context. Luckily, no lives lost here. But this? It's a wake-up call for engineers. This is why we over-design. Not for today, but for the one day it all shakes. Subscribe for more real engineering in action.